So today we are talking about something that trips up a lot of people when they first start using NotebookLM. And honestly, it completely tripped me up the first time around too. Take a look at this PowerPoint file. It is a standard business report filled with tables showing regional sales data, bar charts, pie charts, the whole 9 yards. Looks great, right? But now, watch what happens when we try to upload this directly into NotebookLM. I am going to go ahead and pull this PPTX file straight into our workspace. Okay, so it finished processing. But look at the result. All that valuable table data, completely gone. The charts, missing. What NotebookLM actually sees here is just raw, plain text. It is literally pulling out the written words, but those crucial numbers in our sales table and the graphs showing our monthly trends, NotebookLM has absolutely no idea they even exist. So if I ask it something like, what was North America's Q1 achievement? It might still manage to pull an answer with citations based on the surrounding text. But when you go back to verify it, cross-referencing is going to be incredibly tedious because everything is unformatted text. It would be infinitely easier to work with if we could actually see the structured tables and graphs. Fortunately, there is a simple workaround for this, and I am going to show you 2 different ways to fix it right now. The first method, and honestly the cleanest approach, is to convert your PowerPoint deck into a PDF. When you export a presentation as a PDF, it locks in the visual layout. Your tables, charts, and numbers all stay completely intact. To do this, I will just hit File, navigate down to Export, select Create PDF, and then hit Publish. Super quick and easy. Now let's upload this new PDF version into NotebookLM. I will click Add Sources, choose Upload Files, and select the PDF we just saved. Let's give it just a brief moment to process. And look at that difference. Now it is actually reading the table structure. The numbers are right where they belong and the layout is preserved. NotebookLM can now accurately understand and reference all of that data. This is a way better experience. Now for the second method. This route is fantastic if you only need to extract data from specific visuals like just a single chart or one important table. All you need to do is take a quick screenshot of it. I am just going to grab my snipping tool, select this regional sales table right here, and save it as an image file. Next, we will head back over and add this image file directly as a new source inside NotebookLM. Believe it or not, NotebookLM handles images incredibly well. It will analyze the visual layout and extract the embedded data natively. So your charts and tables become fully searchable and readable, even though they started out as a simple screenshot. Avoid uploading the raw PPTX file directly. Instead, either convert the entire presentation into a PDF first, or take a quick screenshot of the specific visuals you need and upload them as images. Both methods work beautifully and each takes less than a minute to do. All right, and that is the ultimate workaround. I hope this saves you a massive headache on your next project. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more quick AI tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.